YouTubers, got this Chevrolet Captiva, a couple of jobs on it, tow bar, sort out the AC and give it a coolant flush. So I've put in the coolant red cleaner, driven it around a couple of days. Now I'm going to drop the coolant out of it and then refill it with nice fresh coolant. Right, hopefully you can see the little drain, which is here. So give that a turn, if we can. There we go. We should see there we go. Taking it out now. What I should have done really was opened up the top of the expansion bottle. I'll drop it down and do that. Right, let's get the cap off the expansion bottle. Yeah, and we can kind of control the flow a little bit. So if we do that, let's slow it down a bit. And we can open it. And speed it up. Right, so the drain plug's back in now. Going to use the vacuum kit to fill it back up with coolant. So I'll get this set up and then we'll come back and fill it up. I've attached shop air here. Push this down onto the expansion bottle. Make sure the fill valve is closed. Then we'll open up the one for the shop air. We'll do a vacuum. Then when it stops drawing the vacuum, we'll shut that valve off and let it sit for a while. In the meantime, I've got to do the electrics. Just fitted this tow bar. I've just got to wire it in now. In Spain, when you fit a tow bar, you have to take them to the ITV station, it's like an MOT centre, and they've got to be signed off, and your vehicle documents have to be changed. So it's storing down nice. I can't remember if I said when I drained it that you need the heater in the hot position so the valve's open, otherwise you don't drain any of the coolant that's in the heat matrix. So it looks like it's sitting there quite nice now. So we'll shut this valve off. And we'll give it 10-15 minutes. And then we'll get some coolant in it. So it's been about 10-15 minutes now, 15 minutes now. That's not moved. We're set up here and we have the fill pipe at the bottom of the AC container. So what we do now is open up the fill valve. and then we'll let that go until it reaches about 0. As you can see, it feels quite rapid. And I keep saying it, this is my preferred method when I drain the coolant system. So we'll come back when that's at 0. Okay, we're 0. Next thing we need to do is close off the fill valve. And take off the shop head. I need that on. Get the excess run out into there. Just don't want to get coolant over the floor. There we go. If I open this side, that gets rid of this bit of excess. Get a light, let's see how we go. Back to this Captiva now. Going to be having a look at why the AC isn't working. I know that it's low on refrigerant, but the AC compressor isn't kicking in when I'm commanding it to. So let's just have a look at some special functional active tests. Since then, what I do is I command it on. I remember we could hear the relay. Now I want to check the fuse once it's commanded on, and then from there we'll go down to the compressor multi-plug itself. So the fuse is, can we see it? This one here. So at the minute, I think we'll check our test light, make sure it's good. Test light's good. And as you'd expect, there's no power because there's no command. So now if we command it on, you hear the relay, and we have no power. There we go. Let's command it on. So we command it off just to check our method. Nothing. So that tells us the wiring to here is good. So the next thing to do is get underneath it and see what's happening at the power and grounds to the actual clutch itself. Right, so let's see if we can get you in it. There's a multi-plug. So that's off of the back of the clutch on the compressor. You can just see that's where it goes into there. So what I do, I command the compressor clutch on, and I'll see if we get an illumination from the test light. Right, so I've got the ground on the actual body of the compressor. At the minute, it's commanded off. I don't know if you're going to see it. Hopefully you'll see the test light. So that's one side, that's the other. Now hold the test light on. Command it on. We've got power off, got no power. On, off, on, off. So we know the ground side, the power side is good. So what I want to do next is back probe the ground side of it. What we do. Right, so back probed into the ground side feed for that compressor pump. Get the test light and hold it onto the positive terminal on the multi-plug. On, off, on, off. Now we could load up that circuit more, but I don't think it's necessary, to be fair. Might need to beep it away. So we plug in the. That's plugged in now. What I'm going to do is command it on and give it a little push in, see if it's going to do anything. So it's commanded off in a minute, commanded on now. Nada. Off. On. Nada. I have to see if we can get a compressor clutch for that, and I'll speak to the customer. If I get authorised to do that job, then we'll come back and go through the repair process. So that was a simple coolant flush, drain refill video, Chevrolet Captiva 2.2 diesel. Hope you like the videos that I'm putting out. If you do, please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified of all the new videos as and when they come out. And any comments or questions, leave in the box below. Thanks for watching.